Morning, Codger Biker here. This is the thing that I have. Supposedly it should help the Insta360 1X from shutting down, but I don't think it will. I think it's a battery issue, but anyway, we'll try it. I wanted to go out and he wanted to come in. Anyway, so look what's in there. Some bits of paper. Way too much packaging for anything in the world. And this thing feels damped, like a shock absorber. If anything, you think it would accentuate the vibration, making it higher, but there we go. Let's see. Well, call me sceptical, but I really don't see how that's going to help. Here's another of my birthday presents. I believe it's called a book. I think it's a serial data storage system. Where does matter come from? Wouldn't we like to know? Looking forward to reading that. Paul Davis, very good. Next thing, a swivel mount. For my crash helmet. Let's give it a try. There's the mount that I usually use, which you can see is just a standard GoPro one with a short arm on it, just to give me enough clearance and position from the helmet. With that one, I don't believe you need this extra bit. Oh yeah, the actual thing's got a ball bearing that pivots. That's quite useful. So you can set it where you want it, and then just adjust the camera. Plus it holds it slightly out in the same way as this arm did. Oh, what have we got here then? This is a Volta battery grip, tripod and remote by GoPro for GoPro. Let's have a look inside. Right, not very elegant, I'm afraid. Paper. Stick. All I need now is a rock to go with it. So the pass cable, sort of a rubber membrane there to waterproof it, I think. It's charging. Okay, this is how I connected it. Swipe down, go to the left, connections, connect a device. It says the remote. It should say Volta, but on mine firmware it says the remote. So put it on remote. Hold the Bluetooth down 4 seconds. Well, it starts flashing. It's connected and it works. So press record. Starts recording. Press again, stops recording. Hold the mode button down, turn it off. Oh, look at them. And to charge, well, you're leading to a USB socket, presumably. Open the charging door, place in a cable. The lights there, look, standard. So far it's proved really useful for powering the Insta360 1X2. It'll run for hours on this thing. Perhaps I should just fit the whole thing on the bike. The last thing I got is these mirror plugs. Let's try them out. I don't actually use those ram balls, so these are just neater. Nothing to bang my hands on.
There we are. Did you do well? Wow! Listen to this, Elliot. 95% of the universe is missing, and nobody knows where it's gone. Fancy that. Perhaps I should change my name to Cosmologist Biker.
Is if you learn to see it differently. The only way to change the past you see is if you learn to see it differently.